Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to outline your text. First we have to type something. I saw something very beautiful on Pinterest. I was created to create. Now we'll simply double tap our text layer. A box will pop up. Then tap stroke and that's it. But you can also play around. You can change the size of it, increase or decrease. We will go with 5. And you can also play around with blending mode. Sometimes it's very subtle, sometimes it's a bit too much. Then you can change the opacity. And finally the color. Here you can get very wild. You can choose unexpected color, but today we'll go with the basic black. And there is one more thing, which is position, and it's basically the position of your outline. I mainly prefer outside. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked it.